Hi guys, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy and delicious buffalo tuna dip. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 cans of tuna drained, cream cheese, hot sauce, ranch seasoning, garlic powder, and shredded COLBY jack cheese. In a large saucepan over medium-high heat, go ahead and add the tuna and the hot sauce. Stir this and cook until hot and bubbly, which is about 3 minutes. Next, stir in the cream cheese, ranch seasoning, garlic powder, and cheese, and then cook until the cheese has melted. This should be about 5 minutes. Once all the cheese has melted, transfer the tuna dip to a serving dish or a slow cooker, and you can serve this with tortilla chips, crunchy veggies, or pita chips. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!